can't get in there because it's a wall. The only way you can get in there is through that wall over there. That's some bullshit.
Oh, man.
You record that shit down?
Yeah, the last part. It's coming. It's coming. Oh. How you pick that up with one hand? I'm out here. My offer just got accepted on the house, and I'm about to drop off this earnest money check. Well, I'm at the end of this one. About to close this one on out right here.
Hey everyone, I'm Raymond Wiseman. Welcome to SmallerPockets, but you can call me Ray. Alright, just cleared everything out. Did a little light work in here today. First day here. So I'm gonna have to get the tile off the floor, but first I gotta get the lights on in this house. That's what we dealing with. They got the old fuse panel, old school fuse. So it should be easy to get lights on with that. This sink ain't no good. Old school low. I ain't gonna say one like that, but hey, that's what it is. House is sagging right here because down there is missing the bricks that hold the house up. So you gotta put the bricks back down there, or the cement blocks down there. And this little room, I just took all this other stuff off the wall real quick. I gotta take all the plaster off here. Gotta do that. Hot water heater, I might remove that and might use a gasless. I mean, I might use a electric one, but it might be a wall mount or something. I don't know. Probably be better. I might open up this wall right here a little bit. Probably be a little bit better. Refrigerator stove, something right there. Front room. Here. This goes in here. Bedroom cleared out some. Closet. Look like trash. You know how that go. Floor like it's sagging down there or something. I'll figure that out. All this right here, clear it out a little bit more. Still nasty looking. Clear it out a little bit more. But all this is gonna get ripped out soon. But first, yeah, you the lights on. Just remove the trim right there. As you can see. Rotted wood, this, that, no matter what. Don't tell me what's going on. But, hey, taking it all up. It's what it is. Time getting hard. Ah, you have to rip this stuff on out. The floor's rotted. So take this out. Take that out. Right here need to be taken up too. So yeah. I'll run another beam on here. Like they had some kind of rot. So I clean that up. Run new beams. That's what I'll be doing. Ride and flow. You got to cut it out. Take it out. Alright, I cut out the floor. It might have been termites or something in here. I had to put some pressure treated wood down here. That's the wall. Now can you see it? Might be too bright. Yeah, there you go. That's the wall, but yeah. It was I think it was termite or something. So yeah. See, but I'll cut this out. I'ma just run it. I'ma just run the whole thing myself. Just run the sister in it. I'ma just run a 12-foot thing. I need 3 on. One here, one there, one there. Everything else look good. I'm gonna probably cap off this gas line right here, and then I'll probably run some electrical in the wall or something. I know I figured it out. Alright. Just took out stuff up out the wall, all the stuff right there. That look like it's still a little wall stain right there. And knocked it down. But what could have did this? What kind of rod is this? And that I want to know. What kind of rod is that? I was originally saying termite, but I don't know. But I don't know. I'm going to take it out anyway. So I want y'all to see what I'm dealing with here. Yeah. So what kind of rot would do that to an inside of a closet? Other walls ain't bad, so I don't know. They had a lot of trash in here, so it could just be ants or termites, something, I don't know. But I'll just get the replace out. Alright. Same stuff, different house. Cracking the old cast iron thing. Big old crack there. Go down there. They had trash over here. Food over there. This is the back porch back there. I got food all up on the back porch. Okay. See that board down there? It's laying it down. Yeah, jack it back up. It goes on top of it. Okay, cool. And 2 inches. Alright, this is what I had to do. I had to jack it up. This right here. Bottle jack. 4x4. Post. Another bottle jack. Lift it up. Had to cut out rotten wood. See? Had to cut out the rotten wood. As you can see. There's no screws in there to hold it. The seal plate. Everything. I had to do that. Cut out that. This right here is already cracked, so you know how that go. You gotta do that over again. As you can see, I took the hot water heater out there, out the other room, the kitchen room. Took out the floor. I had to replace the floor, 2x8s. I sussed that, even though I drilled both of them in. Did this, did that. Sussed that. I'm finishing it up, but right now, up on the back door, I had to take all the rotted wood up out of there. I still got a little bit more to go. I just got finished buying the rest of the wood, but it's late in the day, so I don't feel like cutting and sizing it up. But what I'm gonna do is lay it 2x6 down there. I don't know why they didn't use 2x8 down there, but they used 2x6, so alright, cool. But what we're doing is this right here. This is what we got going on. So cut up, knocked out the hole, did all the floors, did this, that, this, still taking that window out. That wall right there, it's the back door right now, but we gotta take that wall out eventually and add on to that. But the electrical panel right there, you know how that goes. But gas line, the electrical thing, panel. Hold on. I mean, not the electrical panel, but the light socket. If you want to see the head right here. I'm gonna put that in the wall. I don't know. Look, they had look like some car. What's this called? Buried car wire in here. What they had in there. I'm take that out the wall. I'll take that wall out eventually, but just letting you know what all I had to do. A lot of work, but you know, it is what it is. I mean, it is what it is. So, these are pressure treated right here because it's against the concrete. This right here ain't pressure treated because it don't supposed to be. And if I did, it's too tall. So I had to level everything off. Now that part gonna be a little bit tricky, but the bottom part gonna be easy to do, but the other part is tricky, but hey, I'm doing it. Everything else, cleared it out. This is what we doing. Had to tear out the floor, do this, do that. Sister the thing, go over there and get the other little stuff by the door. Just took that part out. Can't see it that good. Had to take that out. You have to replace that right there. The floor joist. Put another floor joist over here, and I forget what you call the other part. I can't think of it right now. Tied, but take out that wall. That's what we're doing here. Yep. Put this in here. Study this right here. What they had. What they had. This is what I'm putting in here. So. Two more things I got to do. I put that in, put this in. This is just some board I'm walking on. Put 2x4 in, 2x4 in, 2x4 in, 2x4. Got to change that once I finish that. Got a little bird nest up there. Take that out later. This right here. You see, I gotta take out this one right here. This 2x4 right there. Then the two more 2x4 right there. Take out. And then after that, there right there should be done. So then I figure I'll do with this electrical panel thing. But yeah. Uncle told me take the cast iron up out of there. Oh yeah, I do not want to deal with cast iron. But I'm walking on this right here. So let's see. Okay. On to the next step. Okay. I just finished framing it. Did most of it. Had to redo this, had to redo that. Most of it in here. Y'all see how it is. Had to do this, had to do that. For the close off temporary for the night. Put a board up here just to keep everything nice and tight for right now. But this is what I had to do. Whole back of the house is real up there now. It's secure. Okay. Now, right there got to be taken out. See, they got to be taken out. Yeah, they're gonna have to be taken out. This the cast iron pipe. Look, you see it. See, it was like that. This right here was in there like this right here. So I had to knock. It was in there like that. It was in there like that. So I had to knock it out. Yeah. Okay. Just put this on in here. Run it over there. And put it in the gasket. It should work good. And ran the plumbing. So you see, right here. Had to run it over there. Yep. Next, take care of the electrical. I already installed the socket that was already in here. I just put them in the wall. As a drill through that, put them in the wall. Other than that, first start back, closing this thing back off.